Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel and Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. We have seen two videos, Listeriosis Part 1 and Part 2. Here I am going to present Listeriosis Part 3. In this presentation, we will discuss diagnosis, differential diagnosis, treatment, prevention and control of listeriosis. Diagnosis of listeriosis, as usual with the other disease, is the same based on clinical signs and necropsy finding. In previous video, we have seen the clinical signs roaming around encephalitis, abortion, and septicemic signs. And necropsy finding also seen that it causes a microabscesses in central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, liver, intestine, and other parts of the body. Isolation of the organism by culture. The cerebrospinal fluid shows the increased protein and leukocytes content because brain is affected. Agglutination and complement fixation test detects antibody in the serum. Molecular diagnosis by PCR techniques. Fluorescent antibody technique and immunoperoxidase test is an essential test for the diagnosis. The sample collected are vaginal secretions, abortion materials, milk, feces, and cerebrospinal fluid for the diagnosis of listeriosis. Differential diagnosis. The listeriosis shows three groups of symptoms. One is the nervous symptoms, abortion symptom, and septicemic symptoms. The nervous symptoms and listeriosis is required to be differentiated from other diseases which shows the nervous symptoms. The other diseases are pregnancy toxemia in sheep. These occur in the later stage of the pregnancy, especially carrying twins. The twins, the growth is very fast and massive growth that require energy, glucose. If glucose is not provided through nutrition or through food, the sheep shows pregnancy toxemia or ketosis-like symptom in sheep. Nervous ketosis also produce nervous symptoms. Rabies, the famous disease, produce nervous system. GID, the presence of cyst in the brain by larvae of the dog tapeworm named Multiceps multiceps. There is cyst in the brain and that brain produces similar nervous system as that of listeriosis. Polioencephalomalacia, middle ear disease. You know that vestibular apparatus is required for the balance of the animal. If middle ear disease is there is affection of the balance and the animal feel pain. So animal shows somewhat similar to nervous symptoms. Scrapi in sheep and cattle, it is caused by a viron-like particle. It is called prion. The abortion caused by other diseases are trichomoniasis, brucellosis, toxoplasmosis, and infectious bovine rhinotracheitis. These diseases are required to be differentiated from listeriosis. Treatment of listeriosis. The more specific antibiotics are chlortetracycline and penicillin, required to give daily for 7 days, or it may be extended for 10 to 14 days. The other treatments are the symptomatic treatment according to the symptom observed by the clinician. Supportive therapy using parenteral fluids, dextrose, electrolytes, neurotropic vitamins, especially B1, B6, and vitamin B12, and other multiminerals help in curing the case. Prevention of listeriosis. Other usual steps are there, but here only special step is mentioned here, that is vaccination. Live attenuated vaccine has shown to induce protection. Commercial killed vaccine in sheep reduces the incidence of the disease, and other general steps for the preventive measures are required to be taken to prevent the listeriosis. Control. Proper care in silage preparation and restriction of silage feeding. It is established fact that Listeria organisms multiply in silage. So it is also called a silage disease. So take utmost care in silage preparation. It must be a good quality. Tetracycline or chlortetracycline addition in feed, it will act as a preventive measure during the outbreak of disease. Avoid soil contamination to prevent the further spread of the disease, and other general control measures which are applied for other diseases are also applied in a similar way for the control of listeriosis. Friends, it is requested to share this video to other friends. If you like, don't forget to press like button. Requested to subscribe to enrich your knowledge, at the same time knowledge of the other veterinarians also. Thank you very much for observing this video.